Okay, guys, so I pulled out my camera because I saw this stone in the sand. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Rinse it off. Woo! I'm excited about this guy. It's so pretty. There's something else in there. Water. Grab both of those. But I just found that guy. He's very interesting. And I found this guy earlier. I like these. Like them both. Like them both very much. Oh, look at this guy. Wow. Like, oh, look at this guy. Man, I'm finding some pretty cool ones. Like, I was just about to leave the beach. That guy's very cool. I like him a lot. It's really good.